Hi, before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also press the bell icon so that you will get notified when I upload a new video next time. At the RealMe 2 Pro India launch event, the Chinese brand also announced the RealMe C1 smartphone. The new RealMe C1 is a budget smartphone that takes on the Xiaomi Redmi 6A. Its key highlights include the 4230 mAh battery, Snapdragon 450 SoC, and a display notch. The RealMe C1 is essentially a RealMe 2 with less RAM and storage. It comes with the same Snapdragon 450 chipset, 6.2-inch HD+ display with a notch, and a dual rear camera setup. It is priced in India at Rs 6,999, but this is only an introductory pricing for the Diwali festive season. This means the price of RealMe C1 could be revised in the coming months. This model will go on sale in India on October 11 via Flipkart. The RealMe C1 is powered by the octa-core Snapdragon 450 SoC clocked at 1.8 GHz with 2 GB of RAM. It has a 6.2-inch HD+ display with a screen-to-body ratio of 88.8% and 19:9 aspect ratio. The display also has Corning Gorilla Glass protection. It does not get the newer dewdrop style notch like RealMe 2 Pro, but it has a rectangular notch. It comes with 16 GB of internal storage and has a dedicated microSD card slot with support for up to 256 GB. The RealMe C1 smartphone has a dual rear camera setup using a 13 megapixel primary sensor with f2.2 aperture and 2 megapixel secondary depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. There is a 5 megapixel front camera with f2.2 aperture and AI face unlock support. The rear camera can record Full HD videos at 30 frames per second. This dual nano SIM smartphone runs ColorOS 5.1 custom skin based on Android 8.1 Oreo. It is a dual VoLTE smartphone, which means both SIM slots can work in 4G VoLTE network at the same time. The smartphone has a huge 4230 mAh battery to keep it running. Realme claims that the phone can last for 44 hours purely on phone calls, 18 hours while playing music, and 10 hours of gaming. Realistically, this should provide well over a day of mixed usage. Connectivity options include 4G LTE, Wi-Fi 802.11, BGN, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS, AGPS, micro USB, USB OTG, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Being an entry-level smartphone, it doesn't have a fingerprint scanner. Other sensors are light sensor, accelerometer, proximity, and compass. It has a thickness of 8.2mm and it weighs around 168 grams. The diamond cutting reflection design that we saw on RealMe 1 and RealMe 2 is now gone, and the phone sports a fiberglass back cover with 2.5D glass finish. The phone will look and feel very stylish and in no way feels cheap, which a lot of users will appreciate. The phone supports features like clone apps as well as full screen multitasking, which lets people use apps like WhatsApp while watching videos, playing games, etc. in landscape mode. RealMe 1 looks like a great option in the budget segment thanks to a notched display, dual rear cameras, and octa-core Snapdragon processor. If one looks at specifications on paper at this price, RealMe C1 seems to be ahead of the competition. However, the company has made clear that this is an introductory price and it will be worth watching what price Realme decides for C1 after the Diwali season. The phone competes with the likes of Redmi 6A and Honor 7C. If you have a little more time, don't forget to like and share this video. Also post your suggestions and questions in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel and also press the bell icon so that you will get notified when I upload a new video next time. That's for now. See you next time. Have a great day.